This is a 60-ton filter with automatic flushing. The water pump is ready. It's an integrated one. This is for today's loading and shipping. 2 trucks are loading today. Are being loaded simultaneously. Besides this 60-ton filter, there is also a set of pure water, which is also a project. This is 2 tons, which is integrated, pure water, and a 10-ton soft water, and a set of voltage water supply and water tanks. This is an integrated system. Today is Sunday, and we will work overtime to deliver goods.